Are you in need of custom aluminum CNC parts for your business or project? Look no further. DFM Rapid is here to help. With years of experience and advanced equipment, we specialize in creating high-quality, custom aluminum CNC parts that meet the specific needs of our clients. Our expert team uses the latest technology and techniques to ensure that every piece we produce is accurate, reliable, and of the highest quality. Whether you need a one-off piece or large-scale production, we have the skills and expertise to get the job done right. Our custom aluminum CNC parts are used in a wide range of industries, from aerospace and automotive to medical and telecommunications. And because we understand the importance of meeting deadlines, we work closely with our clients to ensure that their parts are delivered on time, every time. So why choose DFM Rapid for your custom aluminum CNC parts needs? Because we're not just a supplier, we're a partner. We take the time to understand your requirements and work with you to create a solution that meets your needs, both now and in the future. So why wait? Contact DFM Rapid today to get started on your custom aluminum CNC parts project. We look forward to working with you soon.